Hey guys, it's me, day 109. So I want to talk about clean slate energy. And so a clean slate, like in theory, it's great. Do you remember like when we had chalkboards in school? I guess there's still chalkboards. And like some days the teacher would just wipe it. And so you'd have the clean slate. It wasn't really clean. It had all of the debris from the previous chalk. That drove me crazy, by the way. But every once in a while, on a glorious day, the teacher would come with a wet sponge, those big, yellow, giant wet sponges. And sometimes she'd let us do it, right? And we would get to literally clean the chalkboard and wipe it free where it was a true clean slate. So for all of us that have changes in our lives, whether we're removing habits, people, relationships, businesses, whatever that is, let's celebrate whatever that season was. Be glad that we had it, be glad for the lessons, move on, and let's give ourselves and one another like a true clean slate. Not the kind that has the residue of the day before, but one that's completely yellow sponge clean. Have a good day.